Greetings, viewers, and welcome to a riveting exploration of a highly sensitive issue. Today, we unravel the alleged disclosure of classified information by former President Donald Trump concerning U.S. nuclear submarines. In this video, we will navigate through the intricacies, examine the potential implications, and dissect the ongoing investigation surrounding this critical event. Join us on this investigative journey as we delve deep into the heart of this matter. The former President of the United States, Donald Trump, is accused of disclosing to an Australian billionaire member of his Mar-a-Lago Club possibly classified material regarding American nuclear submarines, months after he left the White House. According to people familiar with the situation, this millionaire, Anthony Pratt, allegedly gave the material to a number of people, including journalists and international officials. The special counsel Jack Smith's probe into Trump's purported possession of secret documents at Mar-a-Lago revealed the possible exposure. If verified, this information may shed more light on Trump's handling of top-secret government information. At least twice this year, Pratt, the Mar-a-Lago member and owner of Pratt Industries, one of the biggest packaging companies in the world, was questioned by FBI agents and prosecutors. Pratt described a conversation he had with Trump in April 2021 during which he brought up the U.S. submarine fleet. Trump is said to have revealed precise information about American submarines, such as their capacity to carry nuclear bombs and their ability to approach Russian submarines close, during this meeting. Pratt distributed Trump's comments to a minimum of 45 people, encompassing reporters, staff members, and representatives from Australia. Even though Pratt was unable to verify the veracity of Trump's claims, investigators advised him not to reiterate the specifics due to their apparent sensitivity. Pratt's story was supported by another former employee of Mar-a-Lago who claimed to have heard Pratt repeat Trump's remarks soon after the meeting. The employee was taken aback by this news since it showed that the former president had disclosed private information to a foreign national. Investigators were informed by Pratt that he disseminated the material to demonstrate his support for Australia during discussions with the Biden administration. Pratt's revelation was noteworthy since it happened in the midst of talks that eventually resulted in an agreement for Australia to buy nuclear-powered attack submarines from the United States. The indictment against Trump, which contained accusations of obstruction and unlawful retention of material pertaining to national defense, did not contain information on the purported conversation between Trump and Pratt, according to special counsel Smith. Even though the former president's spokeswoman downplayed the accusations, saying they lacked crucial context, the episode prompted questions about how the former president handled confidential material after leaving office. As we draw the curtains on this investigation, the gravity of the alleged disclosure becomes palpable, raising important questions about national security and confidentiality. We appreciate you joining us on this deep dive into the topic. If you found this video insightful, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for being with us, and until next time, stay vigilant and stay informed.